Hello students, welcome back to the third part of poetic device. Again I want to just summarize that poetic devices are used to produce a greater, more pleasant and distinctive effect in literature. It makes the language ornamental and emphasizing. It adds beauty in the language. It gives emphasis in English literature. Now let us come to alliteration. Alliteration is also one of the poetic devices, and in alliteration letters are repeated. You know, students, letters are repeated. See the example here: S S S S S S. Seashells, seashells at seashore. This S is repeated. See here, letters are repeated, not words, not lines. Letters are repeated. Seashells, seashells at seashore. S S S. See here, that is called alliteration. In repetition, words are repeated. In repetition, words are repeted. Water, water everywhere, not any drop to drink. Water has been repeated here, so it is repetition. Water, water everywhere. And you know, every repetition can be alliteration. Every repetition can be alliteration. But not alliteration can be repetition. See here, refrain now. Refrain. In refrain, lines are repeated. You know, students, lines are repeated in this refrain. Here I have given you example from Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge. This is the line from Ancient Mariner composed by S.T. Coleridge. This line has been repeated twice in Ancient Mariner. This line has been repeated twice. And thus spake the ancient man, the bright-eyed mariner. This line has been used by S.T. Coleridge in his poem The Ancient Mariner twice. So it has become refrain here. Onomatopoeia. In onomatopoeia, sound suggests the meaning. Sound suggests the meaning. I clatter over stony ways. Student, this is the this line is extracted from Brooke, composed by Tennyson, Alfred Tennyson. Both the lines are taken from the poem Brooke, which is composed by Alfred Tennyson. I clatter over stony ways. Clattering sound. It suggests the meaning, clattering sound. Here, I babble on the pebble. Babbling, both these words are onomatopoeia. Brooke is full of this poetic device. The poem Brooke is full of this poetic device, onomatopoeia. These are the two examples from Brooke. Now students, go through this poetic device, learn it. You can talk to me for any problem. See you soon.